Every driver knows the feeling. The dashboard light flickers red. A faint hiss seeps from under the hood. And then, smoke. Your heart races. You pull over, praying the engine hasn't given up on you. But what if I told you that moment, that breakdown, was never really about bad luck? Because buried inside your car's cooling system lies a tiny secret most drivers never understand. A secret that can mean the difference between a blown head gasket and an engine that runs smooth for decades. Today, we're uncovering the truth behind engine overheating, and the one fix mechanics rarely explain properly. Engines don't just overheat out of nowhere. Every degree of heat inside your engine is part of a delicate balance. Combustion energy converted into motion. But when that balance tips, everything starts to burn from the inside out. The coolant, that bright green or pink liquid, is your engine's lifeline. It absorbs the excess heat and carries it away to the radiator, where it's cooled down by the passing air. But when any part of that system fails, even slightly, your engine becomes a furnace, a stuck thermostat, a weak water pump, a tiny leak that evaporates faster than you can see it. Overheating isn't a single event. It's a chain reaction waiting to happen. Most drivers blame the radiator. But here's the twist. In most cases, the pressure cap, yes, the small metal cap on top of your radiator or coolant tank, is the silent killer. That cap is designed to maintain a specific pressure, usually between 13 and 16 psi. When it fails, the boiling point of your coolant drops dramatically. That means your coolant starts boiling inside the engine long before the temperature gauge even hits the danger zone. Result? Air pockets form. Coolant flow stops. And in minutes, your car is one step away from total engine failure. So before you blame your radiator, your thermostat, or even the summer heat, check that pressure cap. Because this $10 part can make or break your entire cooling system. Here's what every experienced mechanic does when an engine overheats. And it's simpler than you think. Pressure test the system. Using a coolant pressure tester, they simulate the system's pressure and look for drops. Even a slow fall means a hidden leak somewhere. Replace the cap. Whether it's old or new, mechanics often swap it immediately. Because if pressure isn't stable, nothing else will be either. Flush and refill. They drain every ounce of old coolant, then refill it with the right mixture. 50% coolant, 50% distilled water. Bleed the air, the final step, and most ignored. Air pockets can block coolant flow completely. Bleeding the system ensures no air remains trapped inside. Do these steps right, and your overheating nightmare disappears. Think of your cooling system like the human body. Your radiator is the lungs, releasing heat, taking in cool air. The coolant is the bloodstream, constantly circulating life. The thermostat is the brain, controlling flow and temperature balance. When one fails, the rest follow. Overheating is never random. It's physics, pressure, and chemistry playing out under extreme conditions. So the next time your temperature needle climbs, remember, the fix isn't magic. It's understanding how your car breathes. Overheating doesn't just ruin engines. It warps heads, damages sensors, and can cost thousands of dollars. But worse, it can destroy your confidence as a driver. Because once a car overheats, you start to doubt it. Every drive feels like a risk, but knowledge changes that. When you understand how your cooling system truly works, you take control. You drive smarter. You react faster. And suddenly, that red warning light isn't fear. It's just information. So, the next time your engine begins to heat up, don't panic. Pop the hood, look closer, and remember this truth. The difference between a breakdown and a breakthrough is knowing the secret fix hiding beneath that pressure cap. Because sometimes, saving your engine isn't about replacing parts. It's about understanding the story your car is trying to tell.